What's up, guys, and welcome back to Hook Up Entertainment. So, General Mkwanazi, he is dropping the files, whether you are alive or dead. He is just dropping the files, and did not even wait for Natim Tetwa to be buried. So, whilst speaking at the ad hoc committee, General Mkwanazi revealed, that the homestead of Ambassador Natim Tetwa, there's this boundary wall that is there at his homestead, and that wall was actually built using intelligence money. So this is crime intelligence money that was used to build that wall. So what is said is that no one was held accountable for building that wall, and this was money, being like misdirected, the funds being misdirected. So General Mkwanazi revealed, that the minister at the time, Natim Tetwa, did not even ask for this wall to be built. But the crime intelligence back in 2011, they just took the money and built the wall. And Mkwanazi is saying they do this, to try and take control of the executive. So it's like doing favors so that tomorrow you can then retain the favor. So this is like trying to control the minister. And these issues were there back in 2011 when General Mkwanazi was the acting national commissioner. So these are some of the things that I just said to see, because these guys like Natim Tetwa, as ministers, they earn a lot of money, but somehow, funds are still being misappropriated, being sent to where they should not be going, because Natim Tetwa himself, he could have just built that boundary wall with his own money, but money that was supposed to be used elsewhere was just being misappropriated.